Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to be talking about keyword chips in Scrivener. Chips. Do we get tomato ketchup with that? Okay, so let's pick up where we left off in the last video on the Corkboard screen. You'll remember that keyword chips were one of the defaults available, but not until we have them enabled. First, go into your View menu, select Corkboard Options and then Keyword Colours. Now back to the inspector. Click onto the key icon and you'll see a new box come up at the bottom called Keywords. This box relates to the specific document we're in. So click on the gear and select Show Project Keywords. You then get a pop-up to create keywords for your project. These could be all sorts of things that you want to visually keep track of, such as POV, different kinds of plot points, locations, in fact, anything. You can even group them together by using the child option at the bottom of the box. To apply them to your individual Corkboard document, you can simply drag them from the project keywords into your individual Corkboard document box and hey presto, keyword chips down the side. To remove a keyword from your project, click on the stop sign button within the box. Why not a minus as with most other things? I don't know. In the individual Corkboard document, you can do the same for that document with a minus. So go forward and make your Corkboard colourful, and then watch the rest of this playlist. Thanks for watching. I just remembered, the subscribe button's colourful too. A lovely bright red and... oh, grey's not so bright, but it is more restful for the eyes.